Hello everyone, welcome to Love Glue Creations. I'm Felicia. Jules is not here today. He is busily at work. He does final expense insurance, making sure that you and your loved ones are taken care of. So in the meantime, it's just me. So what I want to do, we have a special video that I'm going to show you today. I'm really excited about that. But I wanted to show you something really cute. We're going to be creating these within our next tutorials. I'm really excited. So we're not going to make these today, but these are coming around the corner. I also wanted to announce that I do have my shirts, hoodies, and sweatshirts on sale in my shop. I have some cute fall ones, some cute Christmas ones. I do have some Halloween ones, and feel free to, I know Halloween's right around the corner, but you can get them for next year. So feel free to go shopping for the holidays and gift yourself or someone you love. All right, so here we go. In this video, I'm excited to share 9 beautiful Christmas wreaths I had the joy of creating for one of my amazing customers. Each design holds a special story. She entrusted me with sentimental pieces that I carefully wove into every wreath, adding my own signature to make them truly unique. You'll see a grand Nutcracker wreath for her front door, two double garlands framing her front door windows, two double wreaths welcoming guests into her office. She has double doors that lead into her office space, a musical wreath perfect for her piano area, and a large stunning wreath for her dining room window. She's a dedicated Christmas decorator, and these creations add even more magic to her holiday home. Watch as these designs come to life and add that perfect touch to her Christmas Wonderland. And I hope you enjoyed this video. We're going to show you her home and then my 9 pieces that are added to it to enhance her Christmas decorations. Enjoy! Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next tutorial. Okay, so this is the wreath that's in her piano area, and what I did was I took off all of the ornaments, saved the wreath. She wanted me to use the music ornaments, and so I added some bells, considered adding some bells, and the beautiful green ribbon. So I decided not to do all the bells, just a red bell, and it turned out beautifully. So definitely used her ornaments and added my special touch, and this is the final design. So this next set of wreaths are the wreaths that go on her coach lights outside in front of her home. So what I did was I removed the balls, kept the cranberries, and I added my own flocked picks to it, just to give it a little bit more texture. These wreaths will be outside, mostly in the weather, so we didn't want to add a lot of stuff to it, and I definitely added a bow that is perfectly designed to handle the weather, and I think they turned out beautifully. And these are double wreaths for her front coach lights. All right, y'all, for the next wreath, this is the big one. This is her front door wreath. It turned out really pretty. Her theme for her front door is peppermint candy, and she had quite a bit of ornaments that she wanted me to utilize and add to it, but I went on ahead and definitely added my special touch with the gems and the large peppermint candies. And I think it turned out really pretty, and it's definitely a statement piece for her front door, for her guests and her family this Christmas season. Tell me what you think. I think it turned out beautifully. All right, y'all, for the next design is her matching garland for her front door. So I used the garland, ball garland that she had, and I added red and white ribbons and more red and white balls to give it that, so it can coordinate with her statement, beautiful front door wreath. And I think it turned out really nice. So there's 2 garlands, one on each side of her door for her front door, and we'll see the finished product in front of her front door later. Now these wreaths lead into her office. So her office Christmas design is this rustic plaid look. So she had a lot of these ornaments as well. So I added them to a wreath base and added my own special touch as well, and they turned out really, really cute. So for her double doors to her office, and actually we have the same doors for office, so when I sent her the picture, she loved it because she could actually see it on her office doors, and they turned out really, really nice, and I can't wait for you all to see how they look in her home as well. Okay, for this next wreath, this one was pretty huge. This one goes in her dining room. This ribbon that she had, she really wanted me to utilize that ribbon, so I used it in her piano, for her piano wreath. And I saved the ribbon, I wrapped it around the rolls that mesh comes on so she can have it for later, but she really wanted me to use that ribbon as well, so I did. But this one, y'all, this one turned out beautifully. Her decorations in her dining room are these colors, and so we added the gems, we added the finials. I used her ornaments her music ornaments where I could, and just to help give her that statement piece that she wanted for that musical theme that she has in her piano room that leads into her dining room. And this one turned out beautifully, and it's humongous. It was beautiful, and you'll see it in her house as well. Here's the final reveal.
Hi! I'm so excited to see my stuff.